I'm Harriet Moji from western part of Kenya, Vihiga County, currently in Saudi Arabia. I'm a single mother of 4 and a tailor by training. Before joining Digital Adverts Limited, I had tried many online businesses. Since my professional job could not cater for all my basic needs, life was so difficult to me as a single mother. I was not even able to take my children to a good school. So I decided to look for something else which could at least boost my pocket. That's why I decided to move out of the country to look for a green pasture in Saudi Arabia. As you can see in the first picture, that is me in one of the offices in Kenya when I started processing my travel documents. In the second picture, that is me so frustrated, struggling on my machine at least to put something on the table for my kids. In the third picture, that is me in Saudi Arabia where I went for search of green pasture. While in Saudi Arabia, a friend of mine whom we worked with in one of the businesses introduced me to digital adverts. At first, I didn't believe in it, since I had first lost a lot of money in search. But she insisted, and I gave her a chance and listened to it keenly. Though I had a lot of doubts, but I encouraged myself and decided to give it a try. The main reason that made me join digital advert was I saw an opportunity that could enable me achieve my dreams. As a single mother, a hustler, I had long-term dreams and short-term dreams. So I saw it in digital advert. The second reason was that the capital was so affordable, very low. And the third reason was low risks. The fourth reason was I saw an opportunity that through me could help those outside there who are struggling with life just the way I was. And the other reason was personal growth through special training in digital platforms. After enrolling myself as a member, I did not wait or sleep. Immediately, I started sharing the opportunity both online and offline. Luckily enough, I got those who believed in me and they got started. Within few weeks, I became an agent and that gave me the morale to press on. As you can see through the images below, that the meetings which I first hold in my region, Eldoret. Someone will ask me how I did it while in Saudi Arabia. Here is your answer. Distance is not a barrier in digital world. Through meetings here and there, I was able to add more accounts, and this is one of my accounts which I have been able to earn up to 104,000 Kenyan shillings plus. I have also been able to achieve all badges of digital adverts by the grace of Lord. which includes VIP founding member, lifetime member, regional agent, digital landlady, and Zimba champion. As a hard-working lady, I also had dreams. I had short-term and long-term dreams. My first dream is to make passive income in Digital Advert Limited. My second dream is to own my own title deed, i.e. to buy lands. Now, my fourth dream is to own my own logbook, to ease myself from trekking. That's why the image you can see, that's my machine standing there, waiting for me to go to own it when the due time comes. Another dream is that I want to change my children's educational environment for a better one. And above all, I need a place to call my home, and it shall come to pass with Digital Adverts Limited. Lastly but not least, for my dreams to come true, I have goals which will enable me achieve all these dreams. My first goal is to register at least 5,000 people in Digital Advert Limited and to have 2,000 activation by December this year. My second goal is to win a smartphone before June this year and help at least 5 leaders from my team to win the same by December 2023. My other goal is to be among top 10 performing regional agent in digital. My fifth goal is to earn at least 3,000 Kenyan shillings per day by 1st January 2024. My last goal is to use each and every single opportunity offered by digital platform to improve myself by attending all the trainings. If I can do it, I strongly believe you too can. God bless you. I'm Harriet Moji from western part of Kenya, Vihiga County, currently in Saudi Arabia.